How to export videos from CapCut. Welcome, and let's get right into this tutorial. For this, all you need is a CapCut application installed in your device. Tap Open your CapCut. Make sure your CapCut application is up to date. To export a video, you can just tap on a new project to create a brand new video or select any from the existing project or your draft videos. Now for an example, I would like to export this particular video. You can add your text, audios, filters, effects, transitions, and more. Once you are happy with it, to export the video, just tap on the export bubble. To adjust the quality of the video, tap on Quality. From here, you can increase the resolution of the video by dragging the cursor. Same for the frame rate and your code read. You can just put it in the recommendation. You can also share to your YouTube, TikTok, or just download in your device. Now just tap on Save to Device to export your video. Mind it might take a while depending upon the duration of the video and the resolution you selected. And it's a wrap for the video as well. We hope that you found it informative and helpful to you. Make sure to hit the like button for more.